The youth need to be enabled to become job generators from job seekers. While children are struggling to be unique, the world around them is trying all means to make them look like everybody else. To succeed in your mission, you must have single minded devotion to your goals. I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who need help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle, which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. If a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher.